Cars.
Hi, is available?
Speaking.
Hi, my name is Sammy. I am calling on behalf of insurance. We work with to provide customized insurance plans for auto service and repair shops. I was hoping to ask a couple of quick questions to see if we could get you a quote sent out.
Okay.
Fantastic. Do you guys offer towing for hire or 24-hour towing services?
No.
Okay. And do you guys have service pits?
Do we have service techs? Yes.
Pits.
Oh, no, no, yeah. No. We don't have pits. We got racks.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Fantastic. No, not a problem. Are you guys partnered with any used or new car dealerships?
No partnerships.
Okay. And do you have UL listed paint booths at all?
No.
Alrighty. Do you guys do tire retreading?
No.
Alrighty. And do you do service on any heavy equipment or trucking repairs?
No, just the biggest thing is like a 3500, like a box truck, but it's small, light duty.
Right, box truck is the biggest, but no like forklifts or
No.
Okay. Righty. And do you guys, or do you know when your current shop insurance is up for renewal by chance?
No, it was just up a couple months ago.
Okay, so just renewed within the last 4 months?
Yes.
Okay. And is that a 1 year or a 2 year?
1 year.
Okay. Alrighty. So based on that, I would like to get some information sent over from insurance with his last name is to get you a quote sent over to see if we can't get you a better price on your shop insurance as well as a little bit better coverage for you. Would I be able to get that sent over?
Yeah, that's fine.
Fantastic. Can I get the best email for you?
It's @.net.
.net. Fantastic. And what? Oh, I'm sorry.
You just do the business. You don't. Do you do the brick and mortar also, or no?
The brick and mortar, like the building insurance?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? That's a fantastic question. I do know that we provide those plans for auto service and repair shops themselves. So I would assume that it's not just for inside. It should be for everything to do with the shop. Would I be able to give you a quick call to answer that question? Because he's going to have that answer much better than I am.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fantastic. Is there a particular time of day that works better for you?
It's all garbage. Whenever you call.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but I definitely do understand. How about I give you a call, we'll say Monday around this time?
Okay, that's fine.
All righty. I will get that email sent over to you with information as well as that quote, and we'll be in touch on Monday around 1 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.